Your Bitcoin wallet address on Crypto.com is a unique string of letters and numbers, like a bank account number, that allows you to receive BTC. To find it, first log into your Crypto.com app on iOS or Android or visit Crypto.com. Navigate to the Accounts or Wallet section. Then select Deposit or Receive under the BTC tab. Click Bitcoin to reveal your unique BTC address. It will likely start with 1, 3, or BC1. You can copy this address to share it. For mobile deposits, you can also use the QR code provided for easy scanning. To deposit BTC, use the address you found as the destination in your external wallet, such as Exodus or Ledger. Select Send, paste your Crypto.com BTC address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the transaction. For convenience, scan the QR code displayed on Crypto.com using your external wallet's camera. This automatically fills in the address, reducing the risk of typing errors. Once sent, track your transaction on a blockchain explorer, such as blockchain.com, to see its progress through the network. Crypto.com will credit your account once the transaction is confirmed on the Bitcoin network, which typically takes minutes to hours. While Crypto.com doesn't charge deposit fees, you'll pay network miner fees. Using a SegWit address can help reduce these costs.